This is a Juki industrial sewing machine. The model is 87. Is it working? The model is 8700 industrial sewing machine. The brand is Juki. This is one of the best machines in the market. So now what we are going to do, we are going to work on this bobbin to thread the bobbin. The bobbin is this, why is it? This one. If you can be able to see it, we are going to work to make sure that it has a thread and it is ready for the next sewing. So that is the bobbin. We have how many? One. This is one. We have two. We have the third one here, and the fourth one is already here. So for us to thread the bobbin, we will just thread on this foot pedal like this. It has a motor, so we will start working. So we are starting to thread the bobbin right away. So the thread is coming from here, it goes through here, then it comes to the bobbin here, the bobbin case. When it's ready, it will just stop, and then we will change the bobbin case. So let us move. That is a warning that it is enough. So that is enough for now. We remove the bobbin case with the thread. Yes, then we cut the thread. We put the next bobbin. So the first one is full. This is the first one. It is fully threaded. So we go to the next one. We have 3 more. So we go to the next one. We install it here. We just put it here like that. Then we hold this thread. We wrap it around here like that. Then you go to the bezel. Okay, sorry. It has to be like this. Is it? Oh, it is not yet inside like that. Yeah, it works now. Oh. So it will give a warning when it is full. That is enough. That is the second bobbin, which is ready. So we remove it. We cut the thread. We put it here. So we have 2 bobbins, 2 bobbin cases which are full. Korrekania.
Nyaka mane mashingi.
Igai saidi. Sasa wakati hapa.
Yo.
Igai. Tume orders. Sweaters are ready. Tuweke moja hapa kando. Tutapiga picha tuweke na price. Hata hii ya grey. Hizi sweater hazitatosha.